This 0.50-acre, located on Tascal Court Northeast in Rio Rancho, New Mexico, can be yours for as little as $200 down. This beautiful property is the perfect spot to build your dream home, place a manufactured home or mobile home. However, RVs are not permitted. Enjoy plenty of space and stunning mountain views. Electricity is available in the area, but will require installation. A septic system and well are required. There are no POA fees and the property taxes are only $15 per year. Owner financing is available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Sandoval County, New Mexico. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.